marks. You read to read until you cross the finish line. Okay, can you read the first one?
The more man.
The more man. Very good.
The more.
2 boxes for Hafiz. Next one.
Apa ni? On quick.
I once knew.
I once knew a man
Who?
lived
Who lived?
who lived on a moor.
Very good. I once knew a man who lived on a moor. Okay, 1 box for you. Can you read this one?
His name who
Hmm?
was
Was?
Mr. Collins.
Very good. His name was Mr. Collins. 2 boxes for Hafiz. Can you read this?
Kata dia ni. Mr. Collins lived on a moor in Scotland.
Scotland, betul. Okay, Mr. Collins lived on a moor in Scotland. Okay, another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
He was
He was
all and poor.
Okay, he was old and poor. Okay, 1 box for you for this one. Can you read this?
Mr. Collins may be old and poor, but he is not a bore.
Very good. Mr. Collins may be old and poor, but he is not a bore. Another 2 boxes for Hafiz. Can you read this?
Semua tak kena. He had hair.
Betul, a hat.
Of pure.
Betul. Pure. Good.
Gold.
Very good. He had a heart of pure gold. Good job. 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
For Mr. Collins, he was not only all but sick with no could
Cure.
cure.
For Mr. Collins, he was not only old but sick with no cure. Tak ada ubat penyakit dia. Okay, next one.
Cure or no cure, life has to go on site. Brave Mr.
Mr. Collins. Okay, cure or no cure, life has to go on, said brave Mr. Collins. Okay, you've crossed the finish line.